Welcome back. This is part 2 of 3 of my modular French cleat wall. The first thing you need to do is set your blade at 45 degrees to cut the French cleats. A French cleat is two 45-degree cuts that interlock together on the wall. Once I get my blade set to 45 degrees, I'll begin cutting each strip that's going to be my French cleat. Each one is going to be 2 inches wide. Please watch your fingers when you're cutting these strips out. Use a push stick. Check out my bee friend. He's hanging out with me. Once I get all the cuts, then I put up a trim piece on the sides, and then I start nailing on the French cleats. I glue and brad nail each French cleat to the wall. What you saw is I cut the first piece and I drug it up the wall to make sure it was the same gap on each side to make sure that the wall wasn't off square. So the process now, just keep cutting different lengths and adding them to the wall. If you don't have French cleats in your shop, you really need to get them. It really makes organizing everything very easy, and you can move everything around. It's very modular. If you get a new tool, make a new French cleat hanger for it. Whenever you move shops, you can take all those hangers with you and just put up new French cleats, and you already have the holders already made. Yes, we're finally at the top. Next, I'm going to make a modular box that I'm going to hang on the wall to put different things in for storage. This is just an example of one thing that you can make. In the next episode, I'm going to make a drill and charging rack for my cleat wall. Alright, there's my little storage box. As you can see, I can hang it anywhere on the wall. And in the next episode, I'm going to show you how I made a drill rack and some other things that I put on my cleat wall. If you like this video, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next video. It's going to be part 3 of 3. And I'll have more videos like this coming up soon. Thanks, guys.